AI is already showing up in customer environments, and partners are under pressure to help customers adopt it the right way. Today, we're breaking down Microsoft Copilot and what partners need to know to take AI to market with confidence. Joining me to share how partners are navigating that shift is Lynda Mahabir from OpenText. Lynda, it's great to have you here.
Thank you, Sydney. It's a pleasure to be here.
Now, what's driving the rapid adoption of AI in the channel, and how does Microsoft Copilot stand out in an increasingly crowded AI market?
Excellent question. AI is taking off because businesses are really under pressure to get more done with fewer people. And employees are really stretched thin. And many are already experimenting with consumer AI tools at work, which kind of creates urgency for companies to act quickly, but it also fuels widespread shadow AI usage, which in and of itself increases compliance and security risks. So Microsoft differentiates by delivering AI that's built for work. Copilot directly integrates with the Microsoft 365 apps that we use every day, right? Millions of users use this every day. And it's grounded in business data. It respects identity and permissions and operates within Microsoft 365 security and compliance frameworks that customers already trust. So if you think about it, so many people trust Microsoft with their Exchange data. So why wouldn't we trust them with our AI data? And then agents build on that foundation by extending Copilot capabilities for the user and enabling AI to act across repeatable business processes across the organization. So together, Copilot and agents help customers move from individual productivity gains, which are incredible, to scalable, governed AI transformation.
When partners look at all these AI options, what really matters is what fits into the work they're already doing. How does Microsoft Copilot for Business differ from other AI offerings, and why does it matter specifically to MSP partners?
Well, Microsoft Copilot Business is designed and priced just right for small and mid-sized businesses, and it fits directly into Microsoft 365 business plans. So when customers pair it with Business Premium, for example, plus the new Purview and Defender Suite add-ons for Business Premium, they get enterprise-grade security compliance and AI at SMB-friendly pricing. So there are bundled offers with core business plans and Copilot Business, and these were actually launched with time-bound promotional discounts to make it even easier to adopt. So for MSPs, this means AI is no longer a separate, expensive premium project. It becomes part of everyday Microsoft 365 conversations since it supports up to 300 users and does not add complexity. So that means MSPs can build repeatable, scalable offers and plug easily into like renewal, upgrades, and managed services conversations.
Once Copilot is in place, the conversation naturally shifts from individual productivity to scale. Where do agents fit into the Copilot story, and how should partners think about that opportunity?
Copilot, of course, helps individuals work faster, while agents not only extend user capability, but they help organizations improve and automate full business processes. And what's great is that this can be done with various levels of coding from none at all to high coding skills. So, for example, you can build a sales meeting prep agent using natural language prompts. And this is something that would gather emails, files, CRM activity for an account and produce like a short briefing and follow-up tasks in seconds to fully prepare a sales rep for a meeting. On the other hand, you could create an invoice processing agent that reads incoming invoices, extracts and validates data against purchase orders, routes approvals, and everything that that process would go through. And this can be built in seconds with very low or no coding skills at all. So for partners, the opportunity goes, I mean, this is great, but it goes beyond building agents. They can help customers design use cases, ensure governance, manage how agents are used, and guide ongoing improvements. So it really creates long-term service opportunities across design, deployment, change management, and optimization.
Now, stepping back from individual tools, AI adoption is really about progress over time. How should partners think about guiding customers through AI adoption from early exploration to full business transformation?
Well, our partners that are already deploying Copilot and they're into agentic development for their customers can attest to the fact that, as cliched as it may sound, AI adoption is most successful when treated as a journey. The best approach is to start with a conversation that's really focused on outcomes and business value. What are the challenges and blockers customers experience that Copilot and agents can solve? And this helps build trust and alignment. And from there, partners can help customers adopt Copilot chat across the organization because it's included in their Microsoft 365. And this builds comfort and encourages daily use and acclimation, right? And then true transformation happens once Copilot or Copilot Business and agents are added, which embeds AI directly into workflows and repeatable business processes. That's where the magic happens.
For many partners, one of the most consistent touch points they have with customers is during renewals. Why are renewals and usage insights such powerful moments to accelerate Copilot adoption and expansion?
Renewals is my favorite topic. Renewals are one of the few times each year when partners have a guaranteed strategic touch point with customers. As a matter of fact, Q3 is when 45% of the world is renewing their Microsoft licenses. And Q4 is pretty significant as well. So customers are already asking whether they're getting good value from their current tools and investments. This kind of opens the door to discuss Copilot Business as a way to increase efficiency and reduce workload and replace unmanaged AI tools that are all over the place with something secure and trusted. So, this is the time to talk about enhancing the security footprint with customers because, believe it or not, SMBs are being targeted more and more. And AI is actually being used by malicious actors. So, security solutions that might have been sufficient in the past are not good enough. So, renewal is the optimal time to talk about upgrading your game, moving to a business premium, adding the Defender and Purview suites for end to end security, compliance, and governance. And this happens to be the ideal combination for Copilot environments as well. Now, partner center tools like Cloud Ascent and the brand new Partner Center AI Assistant will help partners spot renewal opportunities. So they don't have to wonder, like, where do I start, right? It will provide insights on which customers are most likely to adopt AI and security solutions, as well as help partners focus their efforts in a big way.
Once partners see that momentum building, having the right support in place becomes critical. What go to market assets and programs should partners be leveraging to accelerate Copilot adoption and shorten sales cycles?
It's a really good question. Microsoft provides a large set of ready to use go to market assets, including pitch decks, customer emails, one pagers, launch kits, and full campaigns in a box. So these resources reduce the time partners spend building their own materials, and it shortens sales cycles and allows them to focus more on customer conversations. As a matter of fact, through the immersion briefing program, partners have access to complete presentation materials as well as a hands on lab environment to demonstrate Copilot and agents. And there's even one for SMB focused security as well. So, this is a real testament to Microsoft's commitment to support partners who are really serious about creating value through AI workforce and security solutions.
Beyond tools and programs, trust and credibility play a major role in AI conversations. How does the Microsoft AI Cloud Partner Program help partners build credibility in AI?
That is also a really good question. We were just talking about the program. So, the program gives partners a clear way to show their expertise through solution partner designations and specializations. To get there, partners actually have to jump through a lot of skilling, certifications to prove that they mean business, and they have to show deployment and active usage that is meaningful and expertise to attract new customers to the fold through value. So these indicators matter to customers looking for trusted advisors. Now, on the other side, partners who earn these designations also unlock incentives, incredible deployment funding, and go to market investments aligned with Microsoft priorities. So it's win win all around.
Definitely a win-win. Now, finally, as AI conversations get more competitive, how should partners differentiate Microsoft Copilot and agents? And how do Compete resources and the Microsoft AI Cloud Partner Program help unlock growth?
Microsoft has comprehensive compete resources that help partners navigate competitive AI discussions with confidence. These materials offer clear guidance on Microsoft's differentiation in security, integration, and business outcomes. So partners can use these assets internally to prepare their sales teams and shape conversations around trust and long term value rather than just feature by feature comparisons. So, this helps position Microsoft as a security company first and Copilot and agents as the safer, more scalable choice.
Lynda, thank you so much for joining me today and for sharing such practical insight for partners navigating AI adoption.
Thank you so much for having me. This has been wonderful.
To learn more about how OpenText cybersecurity supports partners with Microsoft Copilot, just scan the QR code right there on your screen. For the Channel Company, I'm Sydney Neely. Thanks for watching.